Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present about our Safe Chat, which is anti-grooming chat application. Our group name is Iris. Firstly, let's talk with numbers. Look at our local statistic in Malaysia. There's 26.5% increase in grooming cases compared to 2022. And for global, there's around 27% of children are getting groomed now online. So our question is, who can protect these children from the predators online? So the problem is that the grooming is disguised as friendship. So the groomers, of course, won't come to you and say, "Oh yeah, can I groom you?" They will be as your friend, your gaming buddies and such, and step by step they will do inappropriate things to you. Girls are 3.5 more likely to be solicited online, basically to be groomed online. We should take these facts in mind. Basically, nearly half of the victims never tell anyone because of like social taboo. Firstly, secondly, they are scared of being oversensitive on grooming because of the fourth point. Awareness exists, but the protection inside the chat doesn't. They know grooming exists, but didn't know that is this specific behavior grooming or not. So the problem solved with this is the grooming language is subtle. They will change the words if we are using rule based keyword based detection. So for using our NLP model, um, paraphrase doesn't work because we match it by the meaning instead of the word. The victim may hesitate to report because report um, feels intimidating, but we automatically raise the flagging so that flag the risk so that they will have initiative to do so. No real time awareness. So grooming feels it doesn't feel like grooming until it is, until like something happens. So we would have depict a clearer picture of this person in the profile so that it will be clear that before something happens, before the tragedy actually happens. So fear of false accusation, because accusation is a very important thing. You might ruin people's life by telling people that, oh yeah, he is a groomer. So we provide context and evidence to support our claim instead of, oh, this guy is groomer, trust me. So yeah, it will reassure the victims. So this is the workflow. Basically, we detect the bomb caught this individual sending some questionable message. It will move to its profile. The risk level is 3.31, and we will report him. So this is our user persona. We are doing our project for this Amira for her. So she just got a new phone so that she can chat with her friends and make new friends online using WhatsApp. But her pain point is that she didn't know what counts as a red flag in the conversation. Like she's new to the internet. There's some internet convention, internet speaking slang, behavior she didn't know. So she didn't know that how to differentiate these between this and grooming. So our goal is to provide a private and judgment-free way to check Amira's own instinct before deciding what to do next. So why does it matters? Because it use AI for social good. It promotes awareness and accessible protection to all the kids around the globe. It targeted sustainability development goal 5 gender equality, which eliminate sexual exploitation against women. We targeted SDG 16, which abolished all the violence against children of every gender. It is global and scalable, where every NGO around the globe can deploy it. This is the system pipeline where we have a fallback when the NLP are not working. We use rule-based keyword scorer, and if the NLP processing is present, we will use vectorization, basically change the sentence into vectors so that we can match it with our 5 grooming tactics vector to see that if they are similar in terms of meaning. If they are similar in terms of meaning, then it shows that it is grooming. So you will depict it into categorize them into high score, risk score, low, medium, and high to depict the situation to the victims, and also alert the victim by using this icon to show awareness, to increase awareness of them. So this is a critical review of our AI. The strength is it is fully on device and the message content never leaves the phone for the detection, which means that it provides a privacy, which is very rare, especially when we are using AI. It is semantic matching, like what I said just now. Paraphrasing doesn't work, but the potential improvement is that our model is general purpose. It's not specific. our accuracy depends on the example sentence, and also our threshold are made by our team, which it can be solved by having more resources and time. And that's all from the presentation. Now we will move to our project demonstration, and this is our mentor, Dr. Azrina Kamaruddin. Thank you very much.
I will be demonstrating our prototype, the anti-grooming chat app. We use a local transformer model called the All-Mini LM6v2 as our embedding model. The model will initialize automatically when the app starts. If the user hasn't logged in, the model will start when the user log in. So we have two emulator on this Android Studio. We log in into both emulator. As we can see in the logcat, the NLP engine initialized in both emulator. If we don't see this, the app will fall back to the basic keyword matching. As shown in our source code here, this is the rule-based keyword fallback. The rule-based keyword fallback will act as a baseline protection when the NLP engine fails to work. If NLP works, it goes to NLP. If not, it falls back to rule-based. This one is our NLP algorithm. We compare the numerical embedding sentence of these 5 grooming tactics with user message. The embedding model will convert the grooming tactics and the user message into vectors. The type of numerical sentence embeddings, we compare them. If the number is similar, then we can consider they has the same meaning. This is our main page, the recent check interface. Firstly, we select the user, select the test, and the BOMCON. Before we start our conversations, let's see the user profile first. As we can see at the bottom, the user now is labeled as secure and safe person. Let's go for scenario 1, the safe conversation. Have a message, we paste the message. So, hey, are you coming to the soccer games later today? Don't forget your water bottle. So we send this message. No grooming pattern detected. Normal, friendly language is correctly identified as safe. There is no false positive from word like don't or game. Next, we go for scenario 2 with semantic matching. We paste a message. I really want to see what you look like with nothing on. Can you show me? We send this message. Okay, a safety warning dialog pop up. We can see the reason. Let's see the reason. The reason is the semantic match. Sexual solicitations, 53% match. Notice that the word nude or naked is not used. A traditional keyword filter would miss this. The NLP engines understand the meaning, the sexual solicitations through the semantic embeddings. But we can send this message anyway because it is considered as medium risk. Next, we go for scenario 3. We paste this message. Let's keep our little chat just between us. You don't need to mention this to your parents, okay? So we send this message. Okay, a safety warning dialog appear. So we see the reason. You can see the reason. Semantic match, secrecy, and the isolation request, 72% match. So the engine identifies the tactics of the isolating the victims from their parents and requesting secrecy, even with soft phrasing like little checks. So we can send this anyways. Next, we try an obvious example. For example, let us meet alone. Don't tell your parent This is our secret. What about this? We send this message. Okay, this is a high risk message. So the security alert does not allow to send anyways. It's only allowed to close. So we can see the reason here. Block. The message is blocked. Reason because the semantic match, the secrecy isolation request 56% match, in-person meeting request 59% match. Yeah. So the user is not allowed to send this kind of message. Okay, we can see the profile. As we can see the profile, the safety analysis risk level 31% warning.